In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable circle to search on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So go into settings, and under settings you want to scroll all the way down to system and tap on system navigation, and then you want to scroll down here and find the circle to search option. Now this option will be available whether you're using the navigation gestures or the three button traditional button, sorry. So once you find this circle to search option, simply tap on it like this to disable it if it's enabled, or tap on it to enable it like that. Now to launch circle to search, all you have to do is touch and hold the home button or the navigation handle if you're using gestures to bring it up. So let's try that out. So when you're on a page, any page for that matter, and you want to bring up circle to search, simply press and hold the home button or the navigation handle at the bottom, and then now you can circle on something just like that, and it's going to search for details about that particular thing, and it can continue to perform other functions, whether it's create stuff from that particular thing or even select text and do other things on that particular item. Now to disable circle to search, like I said, you simply go back to system, select system navigation and turn that off, and it's going to be enabled. But that's basically how to enable or disable circle to search on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.